Hello everyone. Back in 2016, Reliance Jio completely changed the way India uses the internet. Free data, free calls, and suddenly everyone had Jio SIMs in their phones. Along with that digital revolution, Jio also created lakhs of new jobs and career opportunities across India. And even today, it continues to be one of the biggest recruiters of freshers. And not just engineers, but also students from business, commerce, and arts backgrounds. So if you have ever wondered how you can start your career with one of the India's fastest growing tech giants, then this video is for you. Because today I will talk about the complete Reliance Jio hiring process for freshers. I will cover the types of roles that you can apply for at Jio hiring process in detail, and their hiring programs for college students. So now let's get started and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. To run such a massive and dynamic company, Jio needs highly qualified and talented candidates like you to join their company across a variety of tech and non-tech roles. Some of the most in-demand functions where college students and freshers can find jobs are engineering and technology, IT and systems, information security, and product management. They also have non-tech functions like sales and distribution, finance and accounting, customer service, and supply chain. Like all companies, Jio hires interns and apprentices in addition to full-time roles. They also hire freelancers for sales and enterprise solutions. So first, let's talk about application. There are many ways in which you can apply for jobs at Jio, like through their on-campus recruitment drives, Jio hiring programs, Jio walk-in drives, and via their career page and via Internshala. First, let me talk about their on-campus recruitment drives. Reliance Jio visits engineering and management colleges across the country to hire freshers and college students. They have plenty of off-campus ways also in which you can apply for jobs. For sales and enterprise roles, the most common way is to apply through their walk-in drives. Recent graduates with any bachelor's or master's degree can apply for jobs through these drives for roles like corporate sales officer, B2B sales associates, and enterprise sales officer. Jio also offers a pretty good starting salary of Rs 5 LPA along with incentives. So keep an eye on their LinkedIn page and post from Reliance Jio HRs for information about walk-in drives. Now this was more for sales related jobs. Now how you can apply for other job roles? For that you can visit Reliance Jio's career page. Jio lists all of their current vacancies including full-time jobs, internships, apprenticeships, and freelancing positions on their career page. You can filter your job search based on function, location, or keywords. For that, just visit Reliance Jio's career page and select the job you want to apply for. And once you have filled out the form, submit it to successfully apply for that job. Apart from this, Jio also hires through their hiring programs for college students and freshers. The first program in this series is Jio Apprenticeship Program. Through this program, Jio mainly hires for two roles: Apprentice Engineer, which is for BE BTech freshers, and Field Engineer DET, which is for diploma holders. You can apply for these apprenticeships directly through their career website by filling out the application form. If you are selected, you will get a stipend of Rs 12,000 per month and a chance to convert into a full-time role. Next up, we have the Reliance Jio Digital Champions Program. It is a 5-week internship-style learning program by Reliance Jio. It is designed to give students real-world exposure to how small and medium businesses work and how digital technologies can make them better. The best part about this program is that you do not have to be from an engineering or tech background to apply for this program. Students from both tech and non-tech backgrounds are eligible. It is open for undergraduate students as well. If you are in 4-year course like BTech BE, then you can apply after completing first or second year. And if you are in 3rd-year course like BCom, BSc, BA, then you can apply after completing first year. Reliance Jio runs this program during May and June so that you can make the most of your summer vacation. And the applications usually open 1 to 2 months before the program begins. For actual dates, you will need to keep an eye on their Digital Champions Program page. You can apply for this program directly through their official website. After applying, you will get a 5-minute online test with 15 very simple questions on basic maths, verbal ability, and general awareness. The selection will be made on the basis of your test results. If you're selected, then here's how the program works. You will spend 5 weeks interacting with local small and medium-sized businesses and learning about their challenges. Jio gives you a digital toolkit and guidance on how to solve problems using digital solutions. You will apply this learning in real-world situations, and at the end, you will get a digital certificate from Jio. The program is a mix of online and offline. You only need to visit your Jio center 2 times. The rest will be project work. Another hassle-free way to apply for jobs at Reliance Jio is via Internshala. Reliance Industries, including Reliance Jio, actively hires freshers and interns through Internshala. You will find the most recent and urgent job roles and internships listed on the platform. All you have to do is to register on internshala.com and create your resume using the free resume builder tool. Then browse all available Jio jobs and select the one you want to apply for. Click on apply now. It will either redirect you to an application form or to application question like why should we hire you. Then fill out the form or questionnaire to apply. After you have applied, your resume will be the first thing that Jio will see. So to help you, you can check the resume tips yourself by visiting their website. Now, if you are excited about joining the company, let's understand Reliance Jio's hiring process. At Jio, the hiring process is divided into 3 stages: application, assessment, and selection. I have already covered the different ways through which you can apply for a job at Reliance. So let's move on to the next step in the process, which is assessment. To evaluate your job readiness and your overall fitness for the role, Jio conducts 2 types of assessments: tests and interviews. First, let me talk about test. Everyone at Jio goes through an online aptitude test. This includes questions on numerical ability, logical reasoning, and language skills. After that, based on the role, you may also have to take functional or technical tests. These tests basically assess your job-specific knowledge or skills. For example, if you are applying for a software development job, then you will be required to take a coding test. And if you are an experienced professional applying for a leadership position, then Jio will conduct a psychometric test to understand your behavioral skills and leadership style. And if you clear these tests, you will be invited for the next round, that is interviews. Jio's hiring process usually has 2 rounds of interviews, each lasting for 20 minutes to an hour. You might be asked to share your opinion or suggestions on a problem to see how you would handle a specific scenario. Apart from your behavioral skills, Jio also assesses your leadership potential. If you are a fresher, you can discuss your college projects and any co-curricular activities you may have participated in. This will give the interviewer an idea of how you work in a team and if you can step up when needed. There are some interview tips from Jio's hiring team that you can check them on their website. After the interviews, you will move on to the final stage, that is selection. The interview panel will compile and review your feedback, including your resume, test, and interviews, and discuss it with the senior management for final approval. If you are selected, then Jio's hiring team will inform you via phone call or an email. You will be required to accept the offer by sending a confirmation email. After you have accepted your offer, Jio will send you pre-reads and videos to help you know more about the company and the role before you join them. So with that, I have come to the end of the video. I hope you now have complete clarity on how to get a job at Jio. If you still have any questions, do let me know in the comments. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you more such useful content and